Are you ready to turn one investment into daily production? This amazing combo paper bag making machine helps your paper bag making business make all major paper bags from V-bottom covers to big shopping bags with printing and even multicolor printing. The first machine, FTC paper bag making combo machine with adjustable width plates, makes V-bottom paper covers fully finished and fully automatic. For SOS paper covers used in Swiggy and Zomato packaging, 10 inches width, 8 inches gusset. For cake box bag, 12 inches width, 9 inches gusset. Make the tube in this paper bag making machine and transfer it to the second machine, bottom folding machine, where square bottom is folded perfectly according to gusset sizes. Next, the third machine, sheet-fed bottom pasting machine, glues and pastes the square bottom to make finished SOS paper covers. For multicolor paper bags from paper sheets, side pasting using third machine. Next, bottom folding with second machine. And bottom pasting with the same third machine to make finished square bottom bags. Only handle pasting is manual. The paper bag making business can grow step by step with the right FTC paper bag making machine combo.